These eggs look so festive, but they are actually very easy to make. The shape is simple, the stitches are basic, and once you make one, you'll want to make more. Let's start together. We'll begin with the magic ring. And make 6 single crochets inside the ring. Place the stitch marker in your last stitch, so you always know where the round ends. From now on, we'll crochet through the back loops only. Round 2. Increase in every stitch around. So 2 single crochets in each stitch. One and 2. You should have 12 stitches at the end of the round. Round 3. Single crochet in the first stitch. Make an increase in the next one. So it's 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat that all the way around. You'll end up with 18 stitches. Round 4. Just single crochet in each stitch around. Round 5. Single crochet in the first stitch. Increase in the next. And single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat that pattern all the way around. You should have 24 stitches now. Round 6. Single crochet in every stitch around. Round 7. Single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Then make an increase. Repeat that around. Now you should have 30 stitches. Rounds 8 to 13, single crochet in every stitch around. Round 14. Single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Then make a decrease. Like that. Repeat that around. You will have 24 stitches again. Round 15. Single crochet, then decrease, and single crochet in the next. Repeat that pattern around. You should have 18 stitches. Now go ahead and stuff your egg firmly. Make it nice and smooth. Round 16. Single crochet in the first stitch. Then make a decrease. Repeat around. You'll have 12 stitches. Add a little more stuffing if you need. Round 17, make 6 decreases. Then slip stitch into the next stitch. Cut the yarn, close the opening and weave in the end. And your egg shape is done. I really love this shape. It's simple but looks clean and balanced. Now let's add some Easter color. First, mark the beginning of the round. Find your very first stitch and count your 6 stitches forward. And that 7th stitch mark the start of the next spiral round. You can use 2 colors 3, 4, whatever feels right to you. There is no wrong combination here. Now attach your first color. I'm starting with the purple, and with the yarn needle I'll embroider rounds 1, 5, 9 and 13. My second color is yellow. With yellow I'll embroider along rounds 2, 6, 10 and 14. With the blue color, I'll embroider along rounds 3, 7, 11 and 15. and with the pink along rounds 4, 8, 12 and 16. Feel free to use any color you like. Mix them, experiment, have fun with it. That's what makes each egg unique. And that's our finished Easter egg. Simple design, quick to make, but it looks bright and festive. Let me know in the comments which color combination you like best. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy crochet projects. I'll see you in the next one.